Hello everyone and welcome back to my multiple analysis videos on Friday 20th of July with me, which is market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold. Final chart of the day. We had that mild sort of corrective move on the dollar yesterday. That helped gold to rally off the lows. 12.11 was the low. It sort of rallied $11 since then. Yeah, I don't really see this yet as any sort of indent on the downtrend phase that we're in, this downtrend channel that I've drawn in. Yesterday's candle arguably a little bit disappointing for the bears, but still we've got another close lower, and today's move hasn't really taken off at all. So you're not really suggesting yet on the chart that you're going to see any sort of sustainable recovery, and you've still got to play that out as selling into strength. You've got that big breakdown of 12.36. Market massively changed outlook, I think, on the back of that, and the uptrend as well. So you've got any sort of rallies within this downtrend channel remain a chance to sell. You've got the failure at 40 on the RSI, back below 30. It's downside potential possibly to 20 still. MACD and stochastics still negatively configured and suggesting strength is a chance to sell. Interesting that 12.28. Actually, on the hourly chart, you've got this prospect of a little recovery. Actually, above 12.29, you've hit that level on several times this week, but then sort of fallen away. So if that market can break through 12.29, say go to a 12.30 handle, then that does complete a bit of a base pattern on the hourly chart, and that would give you sort of, I don't know, maybe $18 of recovery. That's 12.48, and then that would be sort of back into the sort of portion of overhead supply between 12.36, just above 12.36 really. But for now, I'm not really calling this as a recovery, because you've got this continued negative configuration on the RSI and the hourly, continued negative configuration still with the MACD lines failing around neutral. And until that really substantially changes, I don't really think you can sort of change the outlook towards a recovery play. It still sort of has a bearish bias towards the 12.04 level. And that certainly seems as though that is likely to be tested at some stage. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again next week.